In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw from Pumpfun. First, head over to the Pump.fun website and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, the goal is to access the wallet area connected to your profile because that's where your available balance and transfer options will be located. If you haven't used the platform in a little while, take a moment to confirm that you're on the correct site before continuing, especially when dealing with any crypto withdrawal from your account. Open your wallet profile. This is the section where you can manage the funds associated with your Pump.fun account. Inside the wallet area, look for the option labeled Send or Withdraw. Depending on the version of the interface you're using, the wording may vary slightly, but the purpose is the same. This is the tool you'll use to move funds out of Pump.fun and into another wallet. Next, select the coin you want to withdraw. This part is important because you want to make sure the asset you choose matches the wallet and network you plan to send it to. Before going any further, double check that your destination wallet supports that specific coin. Sending crypto to an unsupported address can cause delays or even result in lost funds, so it's worth pausing here for a quick review. After selecting the coin, paste in your external wallet address. This could be a wallet you personally control, such as Phantom or MetaMask, depending on what asset you're moving and what network it uses. Be careful when pasting the address. It's a good habit to compare the first few and last few characters to make sure everything matches exactly. Even a small mistake can send the funds to the wrong place. Then, enter the amount you want to withdraw. You can choose to send all of your balance or just part of it, depending on what you need. As you do this, keep an eye out for any network fees or minimum withdrawal requirements that may apply, since those can affect the final amount that arrives in your wallet. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. At this stage, review all the details one last time: the selected coin, the wallet address, and the amount. If everything is accurate, go ahead and approve the withdrawal. After confirming, give the transaction a little time to process. Blockchain transfers can take a few moments, depending on network activity. And that's it. That's how to withdraw funds from Pump.fun safely and correctly.